Still going with little dog, mix of science, facts, and fun. Learn it fast with the stronger more, y'all let's sing along.
Hey, it's STEM Dunk with Little Dunk. Today, we're talking about something we all experience, the weather. From sunny days to stormy skies, the weather is always changing. But do you know why? Let's break it down with a fun song. And stick around, cause we've got a cool experiment at the end. Let's go.
Do you know the weatherman? Weatherman. Do you know the weatherman? It changes every day. Sunny, rainy, cloudy skies, snow and wind, they pass us by. Weather changes, warm or cool, the weather's always new. Do you know when it will rain? It will rain, it will rain. Do you know when it will rain? Grab your umbrella today. Sunny, rainy, cloudy skies, snow and wind, they pass us by. Weather changes, warm or cool, the weather's always new. Can you feel the wind, my friend? Wind, my friend, wind, my friend. When we win, my friend. Can you feel the wind, my friend? It's blowing strong today. Windy days make trees bend low, sometimes fast, sometimes slow. Hold your hat or watch it fly, the windy days go by. Do you know when it will snow? It will snow, it will snow. Do you know when it will snow? The ground will turn to white. Windy days make trees bend low, sometimes fast, sometimes slow. Hold your hat or watch it fly, the windy days go by. Do you know when it will snow? It will snow, it will snow. Do you know when it will snow? The ground will turn to white. Snowy days are cold and bright, covering everything in white. Build a snowman, have some fun, till the snow melts in the sun. Can you see the clouds, my friend? Clouds, my friend, clouds, my friend. I'm a wind, my friend. Can you see the clouds, my friend? It feels so high today. Cloudy skies block out the sun, sometimes gray or full of fun. Watch the clouds and shapes they make as they drift across the lake. So many types of weatherman. Every day it's something new. What's the weather today?
Hey team, hope you enjoyed the song. We are going to try a few experiments together to help us understand the weather. Please ask an adult to assist you, and this is what you will need: a glass jar, hot water, a plate ice cubes. Steps 1. Fill the jar halfway with hot water. 2. Place a plate over the top of the jar. 3. Put a few ice cubes on the plate. 4. Watch as water droplets form inside, just like clouds turning into rain. What's happening? The hot water evaporates, like the sun heating a lake. The cold plate cools the vapor, like condensation in clouds. The water droplets fall back down, just like rain. Just like a player jumping for a dunk, water rises up when heated. See those tiny drops forming? That's how clouds hold water. What do you think happens next? You got it. You see rain droplets. Wow, Team Dunk! We heard a fun song and made rain today. Science is everywhere, even in basketball. Keep learning, keep dunking, and I'll see you next time on STEM Dunk with Little Dunk. Wanna hoop like Little Dunk and Hero Dunk? Check out our exclusive mini hoops and purple basketballs, perfect for at-home dunking. Available now in the US at teamdunk.net. Shoot, dunk, and train like a champion.